Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of awesome gadgets. Today, we're talking about the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i, a beast of a gaming desktop that's about to blow your mind. So what makes this tower so special? Let's start with the graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, it means you're getting some seriously impressive visuals, folks. This card is built for high FPS gameplay, ray-traced visuals, AI-enhanced performance, and smooth content creation, making it perfect for today's most demanding AAA titles. But that's not all. This tower also comes equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor. That might sound like a mouthful, but trust me, it's a game changer. This processor has P-cores up to 5.50 GHz and E-cores up to 4.60 GHz, making it ideal for competitive gaming, multitasking, streaming, editing, and demanding productivity. It's like having a super-powered computer that's always ready to tackle heavy workloads. Now, let's talk about memory and storage. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i comes with 64GB DDR5 5600 metric tons per second memory and a massive 2TB SSD. That's right, folks, you're getting plenty of space for large game libraries, project files, videos, and media collections. And with fast boot times, quick game loads, and smooth everyday system responsiveness, you'll be able to get stuff done in no time. But what about cooling? That's where the Legion Coldfront liquid cooling system comes in. This 250W 360mm liquid cooling system is designed to help manage heat during long gaming sessions, heavy multitasking, and creative workloads. And with rear and top RGB fans, you'll be able to customize your tower's lighting to match your style. Now, let's not forget about the extras. This tower comes with a complete setup featuring Windows 11 Pro, Lenovo USB keyboard and mouse, plus a bonus USB 3.0 hub for extra connectivity. And with 2.5GB Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, multiple USB ports, and flexible display support through dedicated graphics, you'll be able to connect your tower to just about anything. So what does it all mean? It means this Lenovo Legion Tower 7i is built for gamers, creators, and power users who need a beast of a computer that can keep up with their demands. With its impressive specs, amazing performance, and sleek design, it's no wonder this tower has earned a solid 5-star rating. If you're in the market for a new gaming desktop, I highly recommend checking out the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. Not only will you be getting an incredible machine that can handle even the most demanding tasks, but you'll also be supporting a brand that's committed to delivering high-quality products. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below to check out the best price on this amazing tower and get ready to take your gaming, streaming, and creative workflow to the next level. Happy computing, everyone!